Gardner-Denver certified technicians. We recently received a call from a customer who has several 300 horsepower Gardner-Denver ElectraSaver air compressors that are all approximately 5 years old. The call was in regards to a problem with the machine kicking out on startup. They had pulled the motor and sent it to a motor shop to be checked out and determined that was not the problem. The customer then had a compressor repair company that does not have certified technicians come in to check out the problem. They said that they thought the airend was bad. Because of the cost of replacing the airend and because it was still under warranty, the customer called our service manager. He responded that he thought the airend was okay, but the problem might be caused by something else. It was determined that a visit was necessary. After a thorough inspection, he found a bad disc on the inlet valve, which caused the compressor to immediately start loading, which caused the motor to kick out on overload. This disc is a wear item and should be inspected routinely and replaced when worn out. Our service manager trained the on-site customer mechanics on how to inspect and replace the parts in question, and they have since ordered the parts to replace the wear items on the inlet valves on the other compressors. If the customer had pulled the airend and sent it in for warranty replacement, it would not have been covered. The cost of a replacement airend is approximately $29,000, and the cost of the repair parts was approximately $375. It is for these reasons that we invest heavily to get our technicians properly trained.